How about making a massive chameleon out of sponge? This artist creates this astounding design with great detail. Here the artist shows how to create an ombre frosting. This sensational cake is decorated with a red wine stripe. Pattern the artist plays with the color and texture to get this design. This artist wanted to cakes exhibit a very good taste. He uses 12 different colors to make this awesome cake. Coloring this cake looks very satisfying to perform. The artist designed a stranded glass pattern that is simply amazing.
Oh my gosh.
This design's performance is very beautiful. Only buttercream was used to decorate this tasty gemstone. What do you think about this original spider cake? The black and neon color combo is completely eye-catching. In this piece, Emily goes for a camouflage theme. The stylist Roberts definitely put the cake all together.